Want to know how to create a content calendar for your business? Step 1 is to define your content marketing goals and identify your target audience. What are you trying to achieve, and who is your content intended for? This information will guide your content creation. Step 2. Choose a tool for your content calendar. You can use a spreadsheet, a digital tool like Google Calendar or Trello, or a specialized content management system, CMS. Step 3. Create a schedule. Decide how often you'll publish content, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. Consistency is key. Step 4. Start brainstorming content ideas. Consider your audience's needs, pain points, and interests. You can create categories for different types of content like blog posts, videos, or infographics. Step 5. For each publishing date, plan specific content themes and topics. Align them with your audience's interests and your marketing goals. Step 6. Establish clear deadlines for each piece of content. Step 7. Include details like keywords, target keywords, and any additional resources or research needed for content creation. Step 8. Regularly review your content calendar to ensure you're meeting goals and adjust based on previous content performance. Stay flexible to adapt to changing market trends and remain relevant.